Hi, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing paper of Telugu and which is from the class 10th. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. So, for the information, we have not prepared only this subject, we have prepared all other subjects of your in your class. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and tell us your subjects and class so that we will provide all the answers. So here the question number 1 to 6 that we are discussing here. So question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 all are about write to in the 40 to 60 words, and then long questions which are 4 and 5 you need to write in 100 to 50 words, and the last question which is 6 you need to write in the 500 words, and you need to write on the Telugu language. So for your information, we have written all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, you can contact us anytime.